Hi, I'm Mr. Den and will be facilitating the East Ridge High School Hybrid Political Science course. I'd like to welcome you to this course and walk through a couple of the things that you're going to need to know in order to participate with this class. Most of the work that you're going to be doing will be online, and it's important to remember that you shouldn't procrastinate. You should get right to the work at the beginning of the unit for the week and get it done early so you're not caught trying to catch up at the end of the week. So, to get started, we're going to look at the Moodle course login information and then how to do Google Documents. So I'm just going to minimize my picture for right now, and we're going to look at how to log into Moodle. So if you use this email address, iMoodle.district833.org, and don't forget it's HTTPS. Don't forget the S. It's not www. It's https://iMoodle.district833.org to log in. And then you're going to use your school username and password, clicking on East Ridge High School and this course. So let's see what that looks like. So when you use the iMoodle.district833.org, you're going to get to this page. And as I said earlier, you're going to click on East Ridge High School. And then you're going to click on this course, which is Hybrid Political Science, Hour 6. And then you're going to use your regular school username and password. And it will take you directly to my course, the Hybrid Political Science, Hour 6 course. And as you scroll down, you're going to be able to see do most of all your work online through this site. On the right, you're going to see upcoming events, the seminar and the flex day coming up, and then the different activities. The syllabus is located here, so you can look at how we grade and how the class works, which is exactly the grading system, and content will be exactly like the regular classes of political science. There's a hybrid pilot video that talks about the value of a hybrid course, and then a Google Calendar for the trimester. But really, let's look at the steps that you need for week 1. As you can see, the weeks are set up by, or the units are set up by weeks. So week 1 is March 19th through Sunday, March 25th. And the best part about the hybrid course is that you have the flexibility to work on it when you want into your schedule. So other than Monday, a mandatory class seminar where you come to room 2008 as a regular class, the rest of the week you can work online. Thursday is an optional flex day, but we'll talk about that later. So step 1, you're going to take a survey, and you'll be able to complete that survey. Just follow along on this site, and talks about why do you need this class and some things about political science. Then you're going to go to step 2, which is a hippocampus lesson. Just going to show you that real quick. Now, you click on the link right here, and you're going to watch the presentation. And it's loading up right now. So you can start the lesson, and you're going to watch all 3, nature of governments, theories of democracy, or the policy-making cycle. You're going to watch all 3 of those lessons, and you can either watch the presentation,
wherever people coexist, they need,
or you can read the text. Doesn't matter, or maybe you want to do both. But it's important to remember that you can keep replaying this over and over and over again, or rereading it, because really if you just watch it one time, you're really not going to learn, you're not going to understand the information the first time through.
They need policies in place to govern them. The institutions that enact those policies,
so it gives you the chance to review this over and over until you really understand it. Step 3 is exactly the same as step 2, only it's just a different lesson on English Enlightenment and traditions. Once you've watched those 2 lessons, then step 4 is the activity. And you're going to complete some stations on the foundations of democracy. It's simply a PowerPoint, and it gives you directions on what to do to complete and demonstrate your understanding on the nature of government and English enlightenment and traditions. Right now we're loading this up, and you can see the work that's going to be required. It's very short, it's only 4 stations, but you're going to be creating a lot of graphic organizers and some charts to show your knowledge of your understanding, demonstrating your understanding of the content for the course for that week. Okay? When you demonstrate that, when you create your presentation, I want you to use Google Documents. In Google Documents, you're going to have to go to the Google website and create, and in this case, you're going to be creating a presentation. And you're going to always want to share that with either the people you're working on that with, or with me. So let's go look at how that looks. Go see how that looks. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open a browser, and Google wants you to use either Firefox or Safari. So it's up to you what you want to use. And just get to the Google site. Now let's Google. In this case, I'm Googling Google Documents, and as you can see, this is just a regular. I'm just using the browser, the search engine, to find Google Docs. I'm just going to click on that, and I've got some already set up, but that yours is going to be empty or blank, and it's going to ask you to create either a document or a presentation. There's other things that we can create, but basically we're going to use documents and presentations. In this case, it calls for a presentation. It's really just a PowerPoint, only in a Google form. You get to pick your design. Doesn't matter which one you use. Let's use Spotlight today. Doesn't make any difference. And there it is. Now, once I start working on this, Station 1 or Station 2 or whatever, then I need to add a slide, insert new slide, whatever I need to do. I create my graphic organizer. I can insert text boxes, images, videos, shapes, tables, whatever I want to do, whatever I need to do. Okay. So as you're creating this, or after you've completed it, in this case, I'm asking you to share this document with me in 2 ways. The first one is by adding me as a person who can edit along with you, so that way I can send you comments back on your document. So just simply click share, as I showed you in the upper right corner, and then enter my name, or my website, sorry, and in this case I'm going to use my Gmail account, so it's just gordy.den@gmail.com. And it's going to say, and then just click share and save, and then I can actually work on that document with you, or anybody else that you would add to share that document with. Okay? So now you know how to create a Google Doc and how to navigate our website. The last step is, once you've created that Google document and added me onto it, then I want you to upload that document and send that to me. Okay? And so when you click on step 5, it's going to ask you to download that document. Now it's not open right now for me while I'm doing this, but it'll give you a place at the bottom of the page where you can upload a file, and that's where you're going to put that Google Doc, and in this case this Google presentation, and then send that to me, and that way I can grade it online and give you feedback. So there you have it. It's the structure of our course. We're going to be using the Moodle Hybrid Political Science course website for all the activity and directions. Remember, Monday is a mandatory class day. Every 6th hour on Monday, you're going to attend class in room 2008. On Thursdays, you're going to be able to come and come to class as an optional flex day during 6th hour. So if you're having problems in the class or you're needing some additional support, you can come in with other students or by yourself or whatever, and we'll meet together 6th hour on Thursdays to support your learning in any of the activities that you need help with. So don't be shy. Come on in on Thursdays if you need the additional support. Email me if you need any help, but make sure you follow the protocols for the course, making sure that you check in online at least every other day, and that you're staying on top of the work and not falling behind. Look forward to working with you this trimester, And have a great week with unit number 1.